Divorce and innocent spouse protection. Divorce and innocent spouse protection can serve as a basis for the removal of penalties. Divorce, on the one hand, is remarkably emotionally distressful, and that in itself can serve as grounds for the removal of IRS penalties. And if you need help in making the presentation, call us, work your way through it during your consultation with us, and we'll provide you with an outline, how to go about fitting your particular facts into the outline, and making a presentation which is compelling so that those penalties can be removed, and we'll help you with the documents themselves. But I combine divorce as reasonable cause and innocent spouse protection at the same time because the two of them commonly appear at the same time. And in our factual situation, we have a gal who had been married for a long time and thought that things were moving forward in the right way, but later in life that wasn't agreed to by her husband and there was a divorce, and she was remarkably upset because of it, and it took a while for her to get back on her feet. And then when she started to make some progress in doing that, she started to get letters from the IRS that not only demanded penalties for reasons that she wasn't sure or felt that it wasn't appropriate for her to have to pay, but she was also being told that there were additional taxes that were due from the time that she was married to her previous spouse, when in fact she didn't understand how any of those taxes could come to be, because none of that information was ever made known to her, then or now. So remember, we have a digital tax attorney set that deals specifically with innocent and injured spouse protection. And if you have those circumstances, you need to get that and work through that. And it's not uncommon to have both innocent spouse and injured spouse situations with penalties. You can challenge the penalty successfully during the period of time that those may actually apply to you, while you also assert your injured or innocent spouse protection rights during the other times that that applies to you. We make our consultations available so that we can help you make a presentation of your facts consistent with what it is that would be compelling so that the IRS is going to understand it, because your job is to help the IRS understand you and what happened to you. Yes, divorce, which is a foundational change in life. It's a psychological stressor, can serve as a basis for the abatement of penalties. It's just a question of how long it took you personally to finally get back on your feet. And that particular effort does not get limited to just a 6-month period of time or 1 calendar year period of time. It takes some people longer than others. And based on your circumstances, it may justify the removal of penalties for years. For years. Challenge it. Thank you.